Tatsakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Shukdev Goswami was then surrounded by saintly sages and demigods, just as the moon is surrounded by stars, planets, and other heavenly bodies. His presence was gorgeous, and he was respected by all. In the great assembly of saintly personalities, there was Vyasdev, the Brahm Rishi, Narad the Devarshi, Parshuram the great ruler of the Kshatriya kings, etc. Some of them were powerful incarnations of the Lord. Shukdev Goswami was not known as Brahm Rishi, Raj Rishi or Devarshi, nor was he an incarnation like Narad, Vyas or Parshuram, and yet he excelled them in respects paid. This means that the devotee of the Lord is more honored in the world than the Lord himself. One should therefore never minimize the importance of a devotee like Shukdev Goswami.